Dear students, today in this particular video I am going to discuss our specific project which is based on cash flow statement. After completion of comprehensive project, you have to do another project based on cash flow statement. As like previous project, I shall provide the project illustration and its solutions. According to your roll number, you will do your project. Now see the procedure to do this project. After the completion of the comprehensive project, from the next page we start the specific project. In the middle of the page you just write down specific project, it is the heading. Now in the next page you write down cash flow statement. Again in the middle you write down the cash flow statement because it is the topic. Now in the next page we start our project illustration. I provide the project illustration. According to a roll number you write down the project illustration. So you make the heading project illustration. Under this you write down the problem on the basis of which we make the solutions. Okay. Now in the next page we start our solutions. In the solutions you find some workings part. So you can do the workings part in the first page. Now in the second page you do the problem solutions, that is the cash flow statement for the year ended. Solution you have provided in the PDF. After that you do one bar diagram. You can use this page as well as the graph paper to do the graph. Okay, in that particular graph you can point some color in the graph. After that in the next page you write down the comments, and after completion of the comments we ended our specific project. So ultimately we end our comprehensive project as well as the specific project, and at the last page we write down the bibliography. It should be handwritten. Okay, here it is printed form but it should be handwritten. Here you write the heading bibliography. Under this you write down I have searched and gathered information from the following sources. Write down the sources here. First one is, it should be NCERT textbook class 12, then www.google.com, then other sites you can mention, and other book name you can mention here. Okay, so in that way we can end our accounts project. Thank you.